Good morning, everyone. Every new year, we set multiple targets, goals, and new year resolution. But what happened after that? Are we able to achieve it? No. A lot of time we got distracted. We might get into a way where we are not able to achieve it. But the point is, if there is any tool which will help us to keep reminding us every single second that this is what your target is, this is what your goal is, this might be your personal target, professional target, and these are your to-dos, then how easy it would be. So to solve this problem, I built an Chrome extension. The main target of this Chrome extension is every time when you open your default browser, automatically this page gets open. And this has a functionality that it will tell that for this particular year, how many days, hours, minutes, seconds, and milliseconds is left as a countdown feature. So you will get reminder, okay, you have to work. And it will also tell that how many percent of this year is left, 2.396601% left to hustle. And it will also give one motivational quote that, yeah, you need to work, man. And apart from that, it will also give a visualization that out of 12 months, 11 months is gone and you are right now in December month. Adding to that, we build multiple sheets. We write it down in our notebooks as well. This is my target. This is what I need to achieve it. Right. The same thing we can add into Excel, or you can say Google Sheet, and I can connect to this Chrome extension and you will be able to see here. So every time when you open new tab or browser, you will be able to see this is your target. This is your task to done. This is your daily to-dos. This is your personal target. This is your professional target. Again, this data is fetching from the Google Sheet. So in this how every time you will get a reminder that this much percent time is left. This is the current number of days, hours, minute and second is left. You have to work hard. You will be more focused towards your goals. So this is the problem I really wanted to solve. And this project is currently open source. This is a GitHub repo. If you are looking to utilize the potential of this tool, you can directly follow this documentation. Is just a three-step process. Within max to max 2 minutes, you'll be able to install it and use it in your default browser. So thank you so much. Have a good day. Keep learning and keep smiling.